What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video, another reaction. We got this reaction called 50 Most Disturbing Moments Caught on Doorbell Camera, Volume 11. I don't think I'm gonna watch a whole 48 minutes of this. Don't think I'm gonna do it. So we're gonna have to make this like 2 parts. Fuck. Yeah. Gonna have to make this like 2 parts. I can't sit here and watch 48 minutes. But yeah, we're supposed to be going to the movies, gonna see Bad Boys, you know what I'm saying? I already did a trailer on it if y'all wanna watch that. I could do a what is it, review after I come from the movies. You know what I'm saying? Do it that way. Alright. Well, let's get into it.
Hey, what are you doing? Get out of my house! Sarah, get out of the house! Sarah! Wake up!
Oh, hell no.
2 suspicious men stand before a stranger's door late at night. Their car, parked right in front of the yard, adds to their suspicious actions.
Look at this dude right here, man. Look at this dude right here. Like, y'all don't care about getting caught. Cause you standing there with your shirt up. This dude sitting there smiling. I mean, y'all all out in the open.
Even if you're not the homeowner but a neighbor, it's vital to keep an eye on your community.
Yeah.
Making sure everything looks normal is essential. The attempt...
And they look so suspicious. Anybody look out the window one time, they see them looking like that, they already know what's going down. They already know it's about to be a break-in. So, my bad. Yeah.
seems fruitless. Did they hear a dog bark? Did someone approach? Uncertain, but they hastily retreat, kicking rocks as they go.
So what he did was adjusted his shoe like that was gonna make a difference to break down the door. Like, I mean, I'd be sitting in the corner like this. See them looking at him right there on my camera and shit. Like, yeah. With my you know what I'm saying, thing in the lap. With my heat in the lap, you know what I'm saying. Wait for them to come through the door. You break right through the door. All I need is 1 foot in this door. 1 foot. And I'm blasting them to pieces. Oh. They ain't gonna have no life after that. I'm sorry. You picked the wrong house.
A collective sigh of relief in the neighborhood, knowing they'd kept watch and deterred potential trouble. A
So somebody said something, and that's why they ran off.
woman saw 2 people outside her house on her security camera. Her car was parked outside, so the people could tell she was home. However, they still tried to get into her house.
A whole car sitting in the driveway. That means you don't care about getting shot or killed. That's what that means. Simple. Unless it's a older lady or somebody like that. I mean, even at that, they still got guns. You got a third suspect.
The woman came outside, but then the two people disappeared. She called 911.
Now, why would you? And the lady's dumb on this part. Like, you come out the door, and you don't think they're gonna run up on you and push you through the door or some shit and rob you or whatever they're gonna do?
One for help. You can see 3 to 4 people on the doorbell camera. They're kicking the door to open it. They're trying to get into an apartment. Just check their audacity.
An apartment where everybody can hear you at. I swear, it's some dumb criminals, some dumb ass criminals. This dude got a whole hood on, the camera looking right at you, and see your whole face, and you got your head covered this way.
In Atlanta.
What made them decide to just kick that door down? They've been watching that apartment the whole time, so you've been in the hallway just sitting there watching.
Atlanta, Georgia, a sneaky individual spots a house with tools outside and figures it's vacant. He decides to take a chance. However, his hopes of settling in are dashed when the genuine homeowner
Locked
appears.
and loaded. I'm firing. I'm sorry, but it's going down at that point. You're on my property.
Hey, what are you doing? Get out of my house!
What the fuck? So this dude didn't know what the fuck to do. He was like, he's about to sit there and relax, and he came out. He was like, y'all didn't see that? Let's rewind that real quick. Look. He's about to sit there and relax. What he was looking for?
Late at night, in front of a porch, a strange man lingers for several minutes. He keeps fiddling with the doorknob, trying to get inside. The residents wonder what's wrong with him. Eventually, they decide to make a phone call to have him removed from their porch.
What the fuck?
Folks are puzzled about this shirtless stranger on a porch. A police officer questions him, trying to understand his intentions.
What's up, buddy? Oh. Hey, get up. What are you doing, buddy? Where's your clothes? Oh. Clothes right there? Yeah. You got ID? ID. ID. Just leave it on. You got anything on you? Sorry? You got anything on you? Did you? Where do you live? Sorry. Where do you live?
You on drugs?
Oh, my friend. I'm sorry. Alright. You want to stand up on me? You turn around? Got your handcuffs on. Turn around.
Yeah, his ass
Turn
needs
around.
to get arrested.
Sit down. Sit down. Do you have a car? Do you have a car? Tenés un carro. Sí. Ese negro. Sí. Yeah, it was right here. See on 16? You told me the Johnsons. Yeah. It's the driver of the Johnsons. Let's go downstairs. Vamos a poner nosotros. We're walking around for a minute. Vamos con los supermercados. How you doing, man? What's good, man?
And she's still watching it on her phone.
The shirtless stranger was finally arrested, bringing relief to the homeowner. A man lurks in front of a tenant's door.
I wouldn't want to have to blast the mother. I was like, man, at this point, like, y'all need to get over here. Because if you touch my door one time, I'm blasting this motherfucker to pieces. I'm sorry, but I need to get this dude off my porch.
Late at night. The doorbell camera activates when he returns, and he smears what appears to be Vaseline on the camera. Eventually, the camera captures him standing in front of the door, despite the Vaseline.
No.
Dumbass dude. You still left the piece open.
This man's actions are quite
what
peculiar
you look like.
and raise questions about his intentions. He is indeed a very odd individual. In Houston, Texas, someone was caught on a doorbell camera trying to take things from a car parked in front of a house. Fortunately, the homeowners came back just in time and told the person to go away. There's this guy, right? His girlfriend tells him to grab a shopping cart. So he does. But oh no. Trouble brews. He gets caught red-handed. The cart, it must go back to its home. Then, a lady steps in and teaches him a lesson.
Your personal card?
I'm sorry, what?
This is your personal card?
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't mean to take it.
Yeah, this is my own little personal.
I didn't. Yeah,
And that's my personal trash.
Oh, okay. I'll put all this back.
Okay, I know it's confusing here at the beginning.
Yeah, now you can take it out.
It's a little gallery, but I can see it on ring. And people have stolen stuff, and I'm trying to move, so that's why
She just told me to put it.
Idler alert.
Sorry.
They do once in a while have things downstairs that you can do, but they forget to put them back there.
That's exactly what I thought was the community one, yeah.
What's your name?
Justin.
You live here now?
I know, my girlfriend lives here.
Okay, sorry.
No, sorry about that. I apologize.
In Hawthorne, California, there's this video about someone knocking on a door. They wear a vest, but that doesn't mean they're safe. He is just trying to break in and manages to succeed in it. Who knows what happens next?
Hold on, what the fuck? Hold on.
He is just trying to break in and manages to succeed in it. Who knows what happens next?
What the hell? At that point, girl, you should have punched him in the throat.
Remember, always lock your door and don't open it. Not even a tiny bit. If you have to
Yeah, like,
answer,
what the fuck?
be careful. Bad things might happen. So, be cautious, folks, and stay safe. Two young boys were trying to take bikes from a house.
The chains that they make for that bike, that doesn't be like thick as hell. It's gonna be like a lot of barbed wires together.
As soon as one of them touched the bike, the alarm went off, causing them to run away.
Oh, so you try to act like nothing happened. I was like, oh shit, my bad. I mean, I was about to go upstairs. I accidentally hit your generator. Dumbass. Then he come out like he act like he gonna do something. He just shoulda did it. You could tell he already seen that he was right there. Then he gonna act like he gonna do something after they run away. You shoulda did that when they was right there. I know he been seen him on his ring.
You should always
cam.
lock your bikes to prevent theft. If you see suspicious activity, call the police and avoid confronting potential thieves yourself. In Sacramento, there's a homeowner, frustrated by an uninvited guest on his porch. He spots the intruder on his security camera, investigating. The homeowner confronts the trespasser, demanding he leave.
Get the off my porch.
I'm sorry, I'll be on my way.
Get off! Now! I'm tired of people coming up on my porch. You're looking around for stuff. Get out of here.
No, I'm not.
The intruder claims to have seen a spider, but the homeowner doesn't buy it.
You were! I saw you walk over there on my camera. Take your stuff and go!
No, I saw a big spider over there.
I don't care! You're lying! Stay off my porch!
You're at that point. You don't come out there screaming. Have your little heat on you like this and stand right there in front of the door. Now look at him. If you run up on you, shoot him. Simple. Like,
This guy is on my porch and won't leave. He was looking around on my porch, and I found him on my camera. And he said he saw a spider.
That was cold enough.
I don't care. You don't care. Get out of here. It's not your house.
You're gonna care when it bites you.
I'm in my house. It's not getting in here. Get the out of here.
You could get in your house. Good luck.
Don't ever come on my porch again.
this dude came
Get out of
back.
here.
All right, you have a nice day.
Get off my porch.
Enjoy that spider.
There's no spider. Thank you. Thank you.
What criminals do? Like,
Clearly, he's had enough of people snooping around. A puzzling scene unfolds before us.
what the
We're not sure.
fuck? What is wrong with this dude's face? Been rolling around in mud?
Sure what's happening here. It's a bit odd. There's a lady at their door, and it's making
Oh,
us
that's
wonder
a
why
lady.
she's there.
I mean, they already seen you now. Oh, God, I swear, people just retarded. I swear.
It's Olivia.
It's raising suspicions, that's for sure. She lingers by the door late at night, and that's a bit creepy.
I needed to ask something. Hello? Can I ask Aaron something, please?
After a while, she eventually walks away into the darkness of the night, leaving us with an eerie feeling. This drunk neighbor is shouting at the homeowner for God knows what reason.
From your microwave, you need to pay for my screen.
No, I didn't cut your screen.
You stay away from her. She's a crazy person. I can show you the video and the picture of her cutting my screen.
I didn't cut
I'm
your
gonna show you
screen,
something
baby.
because
I don't
need to
have
run.
nothing to do
You
with
need
you,
to run
honey.
like most men run.
Don't act like
Let me show you
that.
how she cut my screen. She cut my screen knowing I got a 2-year-old in here. She been when she come on, that shows the last one that just left a couple of weeks ago.
You was
Because you cut my screen.
baby.
Yes, you did.
But I don't
She cut her screen.
You cut my screen. Yes, you did. You know you cut my screen.
like that.
No, you know you cut my screen. I'm gonna show him when he come back down. I'm gonna show him how they got you on camera down here and how the video picture.
Why would I do that?
Because something's wrong with you.
No.
Something's wrong with you. So you need to get my money. You come in here with iPhone and everything.
And that's what
Then
you
I
need.
want it. I want it. Then I'll shut up. Give me my money for my
I
screen.
will.
and I'll shut up.
In sunny Fresno, California,
Dope.
a lady, quite out of sorts, has taken a liking to the homeowner's main camera.
What the fuck is going on?
She didn't ask, oh no. She just decided to take it for herself. But wait, there's more. While swiping the camera, she leaves a little note behind, like a mischievous fairy.
Did she take the doorbell camera off of it?
Wait. How you talk? Your house.
First off, never take things that don't belong to you. It's just not polite. Second, leaving a message, well, that's not very considerate either. And third, if you see something unusual happening, like this camera caper, it's best to call for help rather than getting involved yourself. This doorbell camera captured a chilling scene as it recorded 3 individuals brazenly looting a parked car right outside a residential home. The footage unfolds as 2 of the culprits swiftly make their escape, leaving the third one behind.
Damn. So they just see is still in the charger. Dumbass.
However, the homeowner emerges from their house. Startled and overwhelmed by fear, the homeowner instinctively rushes back inside, seeking
got his
safety from
gun.
the unfolding situation.
So this dude, so the homeowner came out, didn't know what the hell was going on. And you got a whole camera. They must couldn't take it. Or you couldn't drive, one of the two.
The tense and unsettling moment highlights the importance of home security and the unexpected events that can occur in our daily lives. This individual's persistent attempts to gain entry into the house are undeniably.
Somebody tried to take my charger, but they couldn't take it. And I had it. They tried to take it at a Food Line parking lot. And messed up my handle there because they couldn't get in it. The rod was taken out of it, so you couldn't get in it by unlocking it.
Unnerving. Their determination is evident as they employ various methods to breach the premises,
Messed up my keyhole in this shit. Oh man, what the fuck?
leaving the inhabitants understandably alarmed.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Yeah. Dude act like he ain't care. Looking for the camera. Are you still gonna go do it? Yeah, something wrong with him. A whole camera that says something to you.
The chilling aspect of this situation lies in the fact that their every move is meticulously captured by the vigilant doorbell camera, which serves as a haunting reminder of the potential threat lurking just beyond the threshold. quiet
Bad for being
neighborhood,
in the way.
a homeowner shares a cautionary tale. He urges everyone to lock their car doors tightly. Even when your car rests in the driveway and the gate shields you, there are folks out there who dare to open your car's trunk. The nerve, the audacity. Fortunately, this time, luck was on their side. Nothing valuable was inside. So, the lesson is clear. Always remember to lock your car doors. Stay safe and keep your belongings secure. In Brooklyn, New York, a man tries to steal a homeowner's package. He pretends to be delivering it, but he's caught. Luckily, a vigilant neighbor intercepts him, ensuring the package's safety. They confirm the address, 690, and the package is safe.
Teresa. Huh? Huh? Okay, well, I got to keep it out locked. Where you at? Yeah, okay. Yeah, 690? Is that 690? Yeah, Teresa Gay, yes.
I
Okay.
wouldn't have got that close to the dude. He could have punched you or anything.
Yeah, leave it, yeah. Yeah. No, leave it in there. Thank you. All right.
Never have your back turned against a criminal. Never get that close to a criminal. You're looking at the package and it's in his hand. He could have easily just punched you and knocked you out.
There are no more issues, and everyone is thankful for the watchful neighbor. In Baltimore, Maryland, the sun shines high in the sky. People go about their day, but something unusual is happening. A man with a long ladder appears, acting boldly in broad daylight. He's no ordinary worker. He's a daring bandit in disguise.
You did it.
With audacity, he
Broad
places the
daylight.
ladder against a building and starts to climb. Oh my goodness. He's attempting to break into the second floor window. It's a strange scene unfolding in the middle of the day, and the people of Baltimore can't believe their eyes. Trouble lurks in unexpected places, even when the sun is shining bright. This video appears to depict a rather unusual
That'd be a dumbass to do that. A whole big ass ladder in broad daylight.
situation. In the footage, a man is seen attempting to remove a sizable package that has been left outside someone's residence.
This dude trying to take a whole big ass package.
As the sequence unfolds, a lady emerges from the house, seemingly caught off guard by the man's presence. Instead of engaging in a confrontation, the man adopts a deceptive approach, feigning assistance with the
Dude.
package's relocation into the house.
Oh my goodness. He's trying to act like he's pushing it in there.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Alright, thank you.
You're welcome. Very much.
He proceeds to lend a hand to the lady,
He's
creating an
trying to
illusion
take
of
that
helpfulness,
risk and trying to
and
act like
ultimately
he's
departs from
taking
the
it,
scene,
or
leaving
helping him.
viewers with questions about his true intentions and the mysterious circumstances surrounding this intriguing encounter. In Petersburg, Virginia, a man arrived at a residential address and rang the doorbell. The lady responded over the intercom, and he communicated indirectly, expressing his regret for the intrusion.
What?
Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
He acknowledged his status as a stranger, but explained that he was facing a challenging situation due to a car accident and urgently needed to make a phone call.
You got a whole phone in your hand.
I know I'm a stranger, but I really need to use a phone right now. I just wrecked my car and I really need to make a phone call.
Sorry, I can't help. Put your phone
Yeah.
in your hand.
Duh.
Despite the early hour, around 5 a.m., the lady initially declined, but the man persisted in his request.
Yes, ma'am, but it's not have no service, ma'am. I just need to call my cousin. I was following him.
Can't help you.
Yes, ma'am. Appreciate it.
Dumbass.
The Ring camera surveillance system recorded the presence of two individuals, specifically a male and a female, who were in the process of attempting to unlock and gain access to the property.
That's a rental. It's a that's a real estate account. Real estate house. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you around in the house. For the people that don't know. But I'm 22 minutes in a video, but this whole video is 30 minutes. I hope y'all like the video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and we'll be doing part 2 in a little bit. Peace.